Okay, so just for as a quick break from the code, let's talk a little more conceptually. Is that there's this thing called front end, and there's this thing called back end. And real kind of briefly, this is what happens: is you are on a computer, you have a little keyboard, right? And you got some kittens here, right? And what happens is you type in a URL. And when this URL is typed in, you hit enter, it goes and gets something very specific from another computer that is kind of just like a big brick of like awesome information and stuff. So it's like sitting there. It's got lights on and all this other stuff. It says, hey, what is on this specific little address? So think of this like going to someone's house. So if you go to google.com, it goes, oh, I need to run over to the google.com, which is right here. And then what happens is it goes, yeah, it's right here, and I'll let you see what it looks like. And it sends it over here. And then it renders your little google.com, whatever it's supposed to be. It tells it. So as it's getting this stuff, it sends it over and across to here. And that's the same thing with anything. So if you go to a kitten site, it could be like right here, and then maybe it's kittensites.cute, right? And then it's like, oh, that's right here. And it just keeps sending it. So the back end is all the code that's required to do this kind of stuff right here. Everything that gets sent out, and it gets pushed back onto what's the front end. And that's where you get the HTML, you get the CSS, you get a little bit of JavaScript, right? These are the kind of the three kings for front end. And so each time it gets sent forward, then it goes, oh, the database says that I need an H1 tag here, I need an H2, I need an H3, I need this image right here, I need an image over here, I need a paragraph right here. That's what's happening. And so this is all kind of on the front end that's happening. And so we're learning more front end languages, front end coding principles, web design principles, whatever you want to call it. So in a really quick nutshell, that's kind of how it works, is that you sit over here, you request something, the other computer goes, yes, I have it, or no, I don't have it. Go find something else. Go give me something else to look up. And that's it in a very nutshell. There's nothing overly complicated about it on the surface.